This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Marcus Phipps. Treasure Hills Beauty. This fabulous 3/2 plus office has been totally remodeled and is in beautiful shape. The open floor plan and modern look make it a must-see for anyone looking for space and style. The air conditioner and all of the flooring, lighting, cabinetry, appliances, and fixtures have been replaced. The yard is large, beautifully landscaped, and private, and the back patio is covered and enormous. You'll love the split floor plan and the options available for your furniture placement with the open design. The master is large with an amazing closet and bathroom. The office is ideal for working from home, and the 2 extra bedrooms could easily become 3 with the addition of a door and a wall. The kitchen is light and bright with new everything and a fabulous barstool countertop dining space. Truly a must-see. Call us or your realtor today to take a look. For more information.